Are you looking for training in React Router? Congratulations, you have found it. We use version 6. We will give you an app source code you can play around with to get started learning Router. 9 out of 10 developers need only a simple routing. This is what we will show you. We use a source code, which is a Webshop. We give you the source code and the installation instructions. Just download and follow the instructions. In the app you will find we have used basic routing. Great, let's have a look at the app when it is up and running. On the screen you see a basic web shop. There is a list of products, and you can click them and add them to your basket. When you are done shopping, you can check out. To be able to check out you will need to sign up. Simple enough. We have a number of pages where we need routes. React without a router is basically a single-page app. So, to have more web pages we need a React router. In our app we have the shop page where we list the products. We have an order page where we list the customer's orders. We have the cart page. We have a product page where we show different products. Pretty straightforward. So, let's move on to the source code. We need to place a browse router statement to surround the segment where we want to use React Router. The best place to place this statement is the index.js file. As you can see on the screen we have the statement in the index file. And to be able to call the statement, we need to import it. And to be able to import it we will need to install the React Router package. Don't worry about this. Just download the source code and use the installation instructions to install the app. And this will also include installing React Router. The React Router is listed in the package.json file, and when you run the yarn command, the React Router will be installed, together with all other packages needed by the app. Okay, let's move on. Let's click the app.js file. If you wonder which editor we use, it's called Visual Studio Code, and it's a very good editor for React development. In the app file we place the routes. There are 4 types of routes we use in this app. First we have the default route. See the /route. Then we have normal routes. See /shop route etc. Then we have a parameter route, see the /product/:id. And finally see the /star, this is the route to take if no other route was applicable. That's it, now your routing is set up and ready to run. There are a couple of more things we want to explain, for you to understand the routing of this app. How do we set up the links for the user to click? We use a use navigate hook. You will find this in quite a few pages. Have a look at pages called header, footer, order, cart, product, and you will find the navigate statement. It is straightforward, just give the /route you want to navigate to. And finally we have the product page with the route parameter. In the components folder you will find a page called product.js. In that file you will find a JavaScript function go to product page. In there is a navigate statement with /product/ and an ID parameter. This way you can navigate to a page, but also add a /ID to indicate which product you want the product page to render. Let's have a look at the pages folder where we find a product.js file. In the import statement you will find use params, and this statement we use to read the product ID from the route applied. In the use effect hook we use the product variable to set the product data use state hook. You get the picture. Now you have seen the React Router version 6 in action. Is there more you need to know? Please tell us in the comments below. We have seen there is a statement called outlet but we found no use for it. There is a need for protected routes. As you can see in the app.js file we solved this by using a JSX expression, see the order route. Thank you for listening. We recommend you now download the source code and get it up and running. Just follow the installation instructions, the PDF, it comes with the source code. Also hit the subscribe button. We are launching more tutorials on other technologies used in this app, such as Firestore, UseContext, full text search, modals, styled components, and much more.